Hey everyone, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you something special. And the reason I'm showing you this is because tonight, my favorite team, the Miami Heat, is playing for their life and a spot to get into the NBA Finals in 2023. So in honor of tonight's game, I thought it'd be fun to show you how to draw a surprise fold using my favorite basketball team, the Miami Heat. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today, and also cheer on the Heat tonight. Now to start off with this Miami Heat surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and folding my paper in half just like this. Next, I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to fold it one more time, giving it another nice fold right down here. So it's kind of like a bookmark. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I always like to turn it this way so I can open up my drawing like this. Now to start off with this, let's begin by drawing the basketball. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come up here. And then I'm going to curve a line that's just going to come down, and then right up to here. I'm going to bring this line up, and then over. And then I'm going to bring this line up here, and then I'm going to bring it down and up here. Next, we'll curve this line over. I'm going to bring this down and up. We're going to bring it to a point, and then down to here. Now, we got to make the little rim. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to bring this line around and in. Now I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to bring it around and in. And then we're going to redraw that same thing around here. So I'm going to make this come out. I'm going to draw this around and then bring it to here. Next, I'm going to bring this up and kind of squiggle it up there. And then I'm going to bring this down. I'll bring this up to a point and down, nice and sharp. And then I'll bring this one up to a point and back down here. And you want it to kind of line up with this. Now let's draw some details onto the basketball. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. I'm going to curve it down here and then bring it to here. Next, up here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to come in and down here. I'm going to go down and then bring this right to here with a curve. Now, starting up here, I'm going to bring this line down to the fold. I'm going to curve this around and then bring it right up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to curve it. We're going to go right to the fold and then up to here. And then I'm going to bring this up and over to here. Now, once we have our logo drawn, then we want to work on the inside. So we're going to open this up. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our logo. So here's what we're going to do. First thing is I'm going to bring this line down, and then I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to bring this line up and this line up. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to connect this line here. And then I'm going to take this line, I'm going to curve it around and up to here. And then I'm going to add a little curve line here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. We're going to go down. And I'm going to bring this all the way up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make some teeth. So I'm going to draw some little kind of rounded, somewhat pointed teeth coming all the way down here and up. Then I'm going to do the same thing right here. I'm going to make some kind of rounded, sharp, pointed teeth all the way to here. Next, I'm going to make a tongue. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up here. Then right here, I'm going to go up and down. I'm going to curve this around and bring it to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down to the tongue. It's going to jump over and go down here. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm just going to go down, and I'm going to jump over and come to here. Next, I got to bring these lines down. So I'm going to start by bringing this one down. Then I'll curve this one down, and then I'll bring this one in here. And then I'm going to bring this one right down to here. I'll do the same thing up here. I'm just going to curve this up, this one, and I'll bring this one right up here. Now, inside of here, we want to put another team's logo, and I'm going to go with the Celtics logo, because that's who Miami needs to beat tonight. And we're going to keep this a little bit simple. So I'm going to start off by drawing a circle for a basketball. So I'm going to make a circle shape right here for a basketball. Then I'm going to put a hat on there. So I'm going to make a little oval shape like this. And then I'm going to make another little oval shape right around here. I'm going to put a little rounded sad face shape here with a little line across. Next, underneath here, I'm going to put a little bow tie. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up and down. And another one's going to go up, down, and in. And I'm going to put two little lines on here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a big circle, and then another big circle. I'm going to make two little black dots in there for some pupils. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down, and then over like this, and back up for like a big yelling mouth. A little curved line for a tongue, and then we'll just color in the rest of this. Now, to make this look more like a basketball, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down to here. And another one here. And then a little curved line right here. And then we'll make a little line that just comes up and down here. Now, I'm going to make some arms. So I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come out like this. And another one's going to come out like this. We'll make a little black dot at the end. And I'll draw a couple little fingers on here. And then we'll just make a couple little lines like here, like it's trying to run away from our Miami Heat logo. Then right here, I'm going to put a little curved line. And then I'm going to draw a little flag shape right here. And then on here, I'm going to write the Celtics on here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Miami Heat surprise fold. Now you can always do some other fun things. You can do other things with this logo and everything, depending on what team you're doing. I could always even put a clover in here for the Celtics, because that's who they're playing. Just some different kind of fun things in there just to make it a little bit more creative and interesting. But there you go. So when I have it all closed up, I've got my awesome best team in the world Miami Heat logo, and then when I open it up, it is about to eat the Boston Celtics. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And go Heat.